Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best in-depth reviews of top-notch products. Today, we have a fantastic product that's been making waves in the market, the Speed Boil Electric Kettle for coffee and tea. This electric kettle is a game-changer when it comes to boiling water quickly and efficiently. Stick around to find out why it's the best electric water kettle you can get your hands on. Let's dive right into the features that make this Speed Boil electric kettle stand out from the rest. This kettle is a speed demon, heating your water to a rolling boil in mere minutes. Thanks to its powerful 1500W heating element and auto controller, it's one of the fastest kettles out there. Safety is paramount, and this kettle has it covered. It features an auto shut-off function, ensuring the kettle turns off as soon as the water boils, preventing any risk of dry boiling. Plus, the concealed heating element ensures that no toxins leach into your water. The kettle comes with a convenient 360 degrees rotating base, making it easy to access from any angle. And when you're ready to pour, simply lift it off the base. It's entirely cordless for smooth, hassle-free pouring. One of the standout features is the built-in mesh filter, allowing you to infuse your water with tea bags or fruit while keeping any debris out of your cup. The top pops open with the touch of a button, and the wide mouth makes refilling and cleaning a breeze. Crafted from high-quality borosilicate glass and brushed 304 stainless steel, this kettle is built to last. It not only adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen but also remains stain-free and clear, with marked measurements for precise pouring. Now that we've covered its impressive features, let me tell you why this electric kettle is the best choice for your kitchen. The Speed Boil electric kettle lives up to its name. With 1500W of power, you'll have boiling water in a flash, whether it's for your morning coffee or a soothing cup of tea in the evening. You can trust this kettle to keep you safe. The auto shut-off and boil dry protection ensure that you won't have to worry about accidents, and the cool touch handle means no more burnt fingers. Its 360 degrees rotation and cordless design make using this kettle a breeze. Plus, the wide mouth and mesh filter allow you to customize your drinks with ease. Crafted from top-notch materials, this kettle is not only durable but also a stylish addition to your kitchen. You'll love its sleek design and clear glass exterior. In conclusion, the Speed Boil electric kettle for coffee and tea is the ultimate choice for anyone who values speed, safety, and style in their kitchen appliances. With its rapid boiling, safety features, user-friendly design, and durable construction, it's truly the best electric water kettle on the market. So, if you want to elevate your daily tea or coffee routine and enjoy the convenience of a top-tier electric kettle, don't hesitate to grab one for yourself. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.